Sorry, I was just doing it in 2 parts so that I didn't have a huge...
You still got to drive to park, move to Ben.
Yeah, yeah, I got to drive to the park right before we start. I want to do this part here, so that I'm not like
yeah,
too
sure.
much. What time do you need to leave to get to your work on time?
I need to leave at 10:30, so I can get ready in 5 minutes. So we've got time.
Sweet. Let's smash this out. It's recording.
Yep.
Cool.
Okay. All right. So welcome to activity 2, influences of the planets. So we're predicting we're using pretty much all the same materials. We're just adding a piece of paper, blank piece of A4 paper, 30cm ruler, and I've got some cones and a 30-meter, 7.5-meter measuring tape. I'm going to measure it out 30-meter space using cones to mark every 7.5 meters. So that's 4 lengths of the tape. So what we're going to do is order these planets. We remember our mnemonic from just the previous activity. And we're going to see how far across the 30 meters we think each planet sits, with the sun sitting at 0 and being 2 meters in diameter. All right, so first I'm going to draw a 30cm line. So there and there, and I'm hoping this doesn't appear backwards for you, but if you've got something in front of you, that could work. As in, if you've got a piece of paper in front of you and you want to do this as well to make it easier for yourself, yeah, that can help. So the sun is going to go, sorry, already happened. We've got the 30 centimeters, is that in focus? I've got the sun up here at 0 centimeters. Can you read that?
Kind of.
Is that audible?
Just like a line.
Alright, give me literally 1 second.
Sure.
I've got a Sharpie. Is that clearer?
Yeah.
Yeah, cool, thank you.
Got the sun there. So I got the sun in this corner as the 0. At the other end is Neptune at 30 centimeters. So I've now got Neptune here. Everyone can see that?
Mm-hmm.
All right, let's line them up. So each student to silently, individually predict where they think planets along the centimeter lines are located on the line. Sorry. Write down each your locations on the line. So how far across in centimeters you think the planets will go in that order. So you know, Uranus and Neptune. Neptune is. And yeah, we'll discuss our predictions as a group, and we'll order it on the thing. So I'll give you 2 minutes, 2 to 5 minutes. Write down where you think these are going to land on the 30 centimeter line. Oh, and I should actually say this will correlate to the 30 meter, whatchamacallit, tape measure activity we do after this.
Are we all doing this individually, or are we discussing it? And then, like, are we doing it coming back and discussing it?
Yeah, so do it individually first. Just write down where you think it'll land on the line, on a 30 centimeter line, and then we'll talk about it. And I guess just say once you're done, or while you're doing that, I'll just talk. I guess in a classroom setting, you would allocate time for students to do this, and I don't know what a reasonable time would be. I guess you don't want them overthinking it. So maybe like 2 minutes is solid enough, especially if you've got like, I mean, everyone will be drawing their 30 centimeters on their page and things like that. So maybe
Can I?
that would be good. Yeah. Pardon?
Can I ask a question? Do the students will they know the arrangement from the sun? Will they already have an idea of where each planet sits on the line, or is it just a complete random guess? Do they know the order of these planets? Yeah.
No, you guys and the students know the order.
Okay, cool. So we already know that it's... Yeah. So we're using the mnemonic to help us place these on the line.
Yeah.
What's the mnemonic again? My very elderly mother.
Yeah, my very elderly mother just served up nachos. Just served us nachos.
Okay, cool. Cool, thank you.
Yeah, no worries. And I guess I'll just keep talking. You can write that on the board, so you can review that at the beginning of the activity or the lesson. You know, this was done last week or a few days ago. Let's see what we remember, and then bang, going. Oh man, you could get kids to be the planets. So you could have like groups of
Yeah,
labels,
that's cool.
or you could have give them labels, have them label themselves, or just volunteers to come up and they'll like line.
Because
even
like
make show.
if their homework was to bring like a coloured clothing item or something, and they stood in line like they were to like bring a sheet to wrap around yourself to give Saturn. I don't know, something. You know, it could be pretty cool. And then that's
Oh, you can get like a group. So each little group is a planet. And you're like, can I have all my Saturns come up? All right, I'm gonna stand there, and all my Neptunes come up. I don't know what you do with the Uranus group, but anyway. Has everyone got their what do you call that? Predictions?
Yeah.
I'll just wait for the tutorial for just a second longer.
yeah. Okay. Yep.
Okay, so we're going to discuss where we think these things are going. So we've got the sun, everyone's got their thing in front of them. Mercury, how far do we think Mercury is from the 0 centimeter of the sun? How many centimeters or meters? What?
I put 2 centimeters.
Yeah, I put 2 as well.
What did you put 2 as well, Sarah? Did you say?
I said I put 2 as well.
I put half a centimeter.
Half a centimeter for Adam. What did you put down?
We'll actually have the answers because I'm doing the CDSU later. But if I wanted to know, I'd probably put them because it is the closest planet. And although the sun's really big, I don't think you can get super close to it.
Yeah, I thought the gravitational pull would be too much for it if it was too close. Like it would just get sucked straight into the sun.
Okay.
I think this is a reasonable placement.
So we've got Adam the outlier at half a centimeter, was it?
Yeah. My judgment is
half a centimeter. This is the solar system. Half a centimeter is still a long
way.
True.
If that makes sense to everyone. Anyway, I don't want to just like if that was your thinking, I just thought maybe that would help you. So, but we all agree it's close.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Adam, are you happy with that? And everyone's happy with it too. I'm going to chuck that down so that we can keep it going. I think that's one of the things about this sort of thing. When do you call it? When do you call the discussions on that? You know what I mean? 2 centimeters, Mercury. So where do you think this is?
Is this from the sun or from Mercury?
From the sun.
Okay.
I did 2 centimeters.
I did 4.
You got 2 centimeters, Adam?
I said 2 centimeters for Venus.
Yeah.
I put 4.
I had 5.
Sarah, Nathan.
I did 4.
4.
Yeah, I would have put 4 because
We've got 3, 4, 5, 3. I'm sorry, Adam, because we got Mercury on 2 already. Probably want to go with that. So we've got 4 and 5. We'll go with the majority. They're roughly the same. So I think everyone's on the same sort of track. So 4 centimeters. Venus. I'll give you a look so far what it looks like.
Yep.
So we got pretty packed down there, pretty tight. Next is Earth, same size as Venus, the planet, or roughly.
I did 7.
Yeah, I did 7 as well. Because you can see Venus at night time. You can see Venus at night time. So I think it has to be kind of closer.
yeah, that would be
It's closer.
What did you say, Adam?
5.
Okay. Katie?
8.
Really, Adam will probably get them all right, and then.
The more I look at it, the more I'm like, oh. We'll see.
Sorry, Nathan, what did you say?
Well, Victoria said that would be Venus on Earth. You said, Victoria?
Yeah, you can see Venus.
So does that mean it would be closer than obviously Mercury? So there wouldn't be too much of a jump, I would assume. So maybe another 2 centimeter jump or less.
Yeah, well, that's what it kind of makes a big because it looks like a very bright star at night time, but then it is a lot smaller than the sun. So does that if it's a star, does that mean it's further away, or because the side? Like think of how massive the sun is.
Compared.
It's so tiny with Venus. So yeah, I think Venus probably has to be close.
I would go.
Yeah, 2 centimeters.
Pardon? Or what do you say, Ben?
We had 2 7s and 8, a 5. And what was yours?
I would say 6, just another 2 centimeter jump.
Alright. Are we happy with 7? It's like in between
Yeah.
the 6 and the 8.
Yep.
Majority thing, 7 centimeters. Alright. Next is Mars. The smaller gets smaller.
I had 12.
We can find it. Pardon? You had 12.
Yeah.
I had 9 because I'm pretty sure you can see Mars as well, like in some types.
No, you can see Saturn.
You can see a lot of them. I'm like with the easy, with like
Honestly,
easy.
that's the one.
That's this one.
Yeah, you can see most of them.
It's much
They do get bigger as they go away though. So then that'll do it. Like if the section's so small, it's got to be closer as well.
Yeah. So we had a 12. Mars. And
Yeah, I got 7.5.
I had a
7.5 for Adam. And
I had
Nathan,
a 10.
Sarah.
We've already decided Mars is.
That's 9.
We've already
Like, I don't
decided that
think
Mars is almost as small.
Wait, so what were all of them? There was, what was the smallest number?
the smallest number was Adam.
Mercury, but Mars.
Mars is 7.5 is what I got.
Yeah.
7.5, 9. 10, and 12.
Yeah.
What's this one for?
Mars.
Oh, yeah. So what was Earth? What was our answer for Earth? 7?
I'm gonna say 9.
I said 9.
Alright. 9 sort of fits in the middle again. Between Adam. Adam keeps bringing the average down.
Yeah, that's because my model's behind now.
Yeah.
I turn around.
It's good to have that difference, isn't it? Because then you really get some more in-depth discussions happening. Mars, Jupiter. We're almost there. That's halfway, guys. So Jupiter, this big.
I've got
Big
14.
one.
I have
14.
14 and a half, yeah.
You two agree on something. What about you, Sarah?
I have 16.
15. What?
16.
Oh, it's just running out again.
16? Alright. Still in the ballpark.
I've got 15.
15, 14, 15, 16. Katie, bring us home.
Yeah, I had 15.
What, you went with 15?
Yeah, cool. I guess.
You didn't write it.
Yes, I did.
Alright. Okay, don't worry. You didn't look sure. Okay. Alright, so 15. 15. Seems to be the one. 15 senses. Jupiter. Alright, just to give you an indication, this is what it's looking like so far. Halfway point. I might just take a. I don't know if it helps, but I'll take a good photo anyway.
You know, yeah, Adam, you were saying that the more you start to change, the more I do your ones, I'm like, you know what?
Yeah, we'll see.
That's one's alright. I'm like,
Next is Saturn.
I had 20.
20.
I had
Had 20.
You had 20 as well.
Yeah.
Alright.
I had 22.
22. I must say, I do think it does look like there's logic to everyone's how that's spaced it out. So, kudos, that's good. Victoria and Nathan, what did you get to Saturn?
I had 21.
Yeah. 21.
Alright, we're at 20, 21, and 22.
Yeah.
Alright, 21. One more to go.
Uranus. 24.
I had 25.
23. 25.
Yeah, I had 25.5.
Nathan?
Yeah.
What was your number?
25.
25.
25. Then.
25.
Cool.
Alright.
We ended up pretty close.
25. They were
Pretty
all
surprising how close we were to the outstretched ones.
Yeah, the last four were actually, everyone was pretty close together.
They're the ones that are something different. I was expecting everyone to be similar on the first two and then different on the other ones. But no.
That's what it looks like.
Yeah, it was good.
I think
Yeah, I like it.
pretty accurate.
Yeah.
What we think?
The only thing is America, but we'll see what happens. I'm still pretty sure that will be real close.
Okay.
A bit closer than 2 years, but we'll see.
Is there a reason, like, we think there's such a big gap between Mars and Jupiter? Does anyone have a reason why that might be the case without the CDS coming through? Just like why we think everyone was pretty consistent with that jump. I thought.
I thought it was because they're cold, lonely planets, and then, well, I don't know if this is the CDS coming through, but then, like, I just know how many years and stuff it'll take to reach those outskirt planets. So
You know?
I was
really
just,
fast.
I was listening to 5 BBD and it needs lots of room. I don't know.
Okay, that's cool. So you think, yeah, it requires more space to itself.
Yeah.
Because actually, you've given it 6 centimeters either side of it. So you've given Jupiter a wide berth.
Yeah.
Yep. Okay. I mean, that seems quite reasonable, rational.
Mhm.
All right. So we're locking that in.
Mhm.
We've just done. Love it. All right. You've got your ideas. We're using a 30-meter tape measure. So now we're going to go into the tape measure. I have to go outside. Let me just double check that there's nothing else we really need to talk about indoors that I would need. Yeah, extended. All right. If you guys give me like 10 minutes.
Are you giving us the actual measurement in 30 centimeters, or are you just doing it in the 30?
This activity is just going to be in
What
30
we
meters.
didn't do outdoor.
Pardon?
I'm going to go do the outdoor. I'm going to go outdoors,
Yeah.
measure 30 meters,
Yeah.
and my girlfriend's going to record me talking to you and putting the fruit on that 30-meter line.
Okay.
It's to give you like an idea of just how big that is, because the paper's good, but this will be even bigger. This will be massive.
Yeah.
And I will take too long. It's only 2 minutes.
Or are you doing the real one?
Oh, I'm doing the predictions,
Okay.
and then I'm telling you. Then I'm doing the real one. So, basically, place the groups, post-it notes, the planets along the tape measure. So the predictions on the tape measure, then talk about what they think now. So when you see it in the 30 meters, you have the option of changing your ideas, and we can lock in or not before moving on. Then I'll go through the document and tell you the correct size of the fruits. Add the correct sized fruits, tell you the correct distances, and putting the fruits in the right spots. So I may not have to move many at all, I may have to move all of them, and we'll see how how it all goes, basically, how right we were, how close we were really far off. And we can discuss that. And that can be something to be observed as well, like we thought this was the case, but in actual fact, we don't know, or we do know. Then roll all. Nathan and Adam are going to jump in with me, and as I place them correctly, one at a time, so I'll start with Mercury and go down the line, we'll discuss some questions about that.
Cool.
Nathan and Adam are going to take point on that part. All right, so give me like 10 minutes, I'll jump back in the call or something, and I'll be outdoors.
Awesome. See you soon.
See you soon.
Thank you, guys.
I'll just do also, and I'll disappear.